Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add text on image in Illustrator. It's quite easy. Very first thing we need to do is to insert the image. For that you can just head over to File tab, go to Option Place, and just right here you need to navigate to the location where you have saved that image. Mine one is in this folder and this is my image, so I just need to double click on that. Once you see the image like this, just click on the canvas. Now the image is inserted but it is pretty zoomed in order to solve that you just need to click on this little arrow right here, set this to something like 4.17 or 6.25. I'll just choose this one. Okay, so the canvas is pretty zoomed out, so we can easily resize the image. So for that you just need to go to corner of the image. Now hold shift key, otherwise they'll just distort the image. So we need to hold down shift key from the keyboard and just resize the image like this. Okay, now we again go to this little arrow right here and just we'll choose 100% and just put it like this. So you can just resize the image if you like. Just go to corner of the image, hold shift key and just resize it again if you like. Okay, the image is inserted. Now we're gonna add text here. For that you just need to click on the T icon which is right here, click on that and just put it here. We're gonna type the text something like bro. Okay, we have added the text but we need to resize this. For that you can just select this tool which is selection tool. So once the tool is selected you can again hold down your shift key and just resize this like this. Okay, and just put it in the center if you like. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can add text on image. But just in case if you're the guy whose text is not visible, in that case you just need to expand this image like this. Once that open, you'll see that the text layer is below the image layer like this. So in that case you just need to move this just right here to make your text visible. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can add text on image in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.